The majesty of wild nature and wild animals. Wild nature, untamed and unblemished, represents the natural world in its purest form. From dense rainforests and vast savannas to towering mountain ranges and deep oceans. These habitats are teeming with a myriad of wild animals. Each species, whether predator or prey, plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems. The diversity of wild habitats. Rainforests. Rainforests are often called the lungs of the earth. They are incredibly biodiverse, housing millions of species, many of which are still undiscovered. The Amazon, Congo, and Southeast Asian rainforests are prime examples. These forests provide habitat to jaguars, gorillas, tigers, and countless insects and birds. They are crucial for regulating the global climate by absorbing carbon dioxide. Savannas. Savannas are characterized by open landscapes with scattered trees and vast grasslands. They are home to some of the most iconic wildlife, including elephants, lions, giraffes, and zebras. The African savanna, particularly the Serengeti, is renowned for the Great Migration, a phenomenal event where millions of wildebeest, zebras, and gazelles move in search of greener pastures. Oceans. Covering over 70% of the Earth's surface, oceans are the largest and most mysterious habitats. They support an immense variety of life, from the smallest plankton to the largest whales. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, are hotspots of marine biodiversity, providing shelter to a multitude of fish, mollusks, and crustaceans. Mountains. Mountainous regions offer unique ecosystems where flora and fauna adapt to harsh climates and altitudes. The Himalayas, Rockies, and Andes are examples of such environments. Species like snow leopards, mountain goats, and eagles are specially adapted to thrive in these challenging conditions. The role of wild animals in ecosystems. Predators and prey. Predators, such as lions, wolves, and sharks, help control the population of herbivores, ensuring that plant life is not overgrazed. This balance prevents the collapse of ecosystems. Prey animals, including deer, rabbits, and smaller fish, provide essential nutrients and energy transfer within the food web. Animals like elephants and birds disperse seeds far from the parent plants, promoting forest regeneration and biodiversity. Threats to wild nature and animals. Despite their importance, wild nature and wild animals face numerous threats, primarily due to human activities. Deforestation, climate change, poaching, and pollution are leading causes of habitat loss and species decline. Conservation efforts, including protected areas, wildlife corridors, and anti-poaching measures, are essential to safeguard these precious natural resources. Conclusion. Wild nature and wild animals are integral to the health and stability of our planet. They inspire awe and wonder, offering a glimpse into the Earth's primal beauty. Protecting these natural treasures is not just an environmental imperative, but a moral responsibility, ensuring that future generations can also experience the splendor and diversity of our world.